Hello friends and welcome to this video. I will show with you how to cancel Bear Club membership. So if you want to cancel your membership, follow me in this video. First step, go to manage your subscription. As you can see here, when you click manage your subscription, you will be redirected to login page. So friends, log in with your all details with ID and password. After login, go to subscription. As you can see here, click on this section and then click on cancel here. Cancel subscription. After click on cancel your subscription, click yes, confirm this option. So friends, just click confirm, and then you will cancel your subscription successfully without any problem. Just log in, get started with your accounts from here. Go to my accounts. When you go to my accounts, scroll down here, just wait, go to my accounts and then go to manage subscription and then click cancel here. As you can see here, if you have any problem, you can use also reach the support team here. From the support, look for any option. For example, look for the chat, this one for the chat. So friends, look for the chat, contact us, then choose contact us with this club, and then you can start using support team with email address. Just open your email and then you can start your cancellation via your email. As you can see here, friends, you can start send a simple message and then you will confirm your cancellation successfully without any problem. You can use Messenger also to complete your cancellation process via a support team here, as you can see here. I hope this guide helpful for you friends. Don't forget to leave like and share this video for more content.